Epictetus once said that we should not seek to have events happen as we want them to, but instead wish them to happen as they do, for then our lives will go well. But let's be honest, life happens in the living room. It happens during the long stretches of a Sunday afternoon, in the quiet moments between chores, and in the chaotic energy of a full house. When life changes, when families shrink, pets take over, or the old furniture simply gives up the ghost, the environment must adapt. The Marsail Modular Sectional sofa is less of a piece of furniture and more of a sanctuary designed for those transitions. It is a 110.6-inch U-shaped fortress of comfort that understands the modern need for both space and softness. True comfort is rarely accidental. It is a matter of engineering. This cloud couch achieves its reputation through a massive 13-inch double-layer seating system. The first layer is a combination of plush cotton and high-resilience foam, providing that initial sink-in feeling that defines a cloud-like experience. Beneath that lies the structural integrity, pocket springs, and high-density sponge. This secondary layer ensures that the softness doesn't collapse into a sag. It's the difference between falling into a hole and being held by a firm hand. For a person weighing 200 pounds, there is a surprising lack of sinking. It remains remarkably firm while staying soft to the touch. The architecture of the living room. The modular nature of this sectional is its greatest virtue. Life is rarely static, and a U-shaped design offers the flexibility to change with the day's demands. Whether it is a night for entertaining a crowd or a solitary afternoon of reading, the movable ottomans and accent chairs can be rearranged with minimal effort. Secure hook and loop fasteners and screw-on connections keep the pieces from drifting apart like ice floes in the Arctic. Customizable layout. Move the ottoman to the center for a massive lounging pit or to the side for extra seating. Pet-friendly durability. The premium chenille fabric is designed to withstand the wear and tear of claws and paws, making it a viable choice for those whose dogs are the true masters of the house. Supportive extras. It comes equipped with 3 plush back pillows and 2 arm pillows, reducing pressure points during those long marathons of relaxation. The fabric itself, a skin-friendly chenille, elevates the room's aesthetic without feeling fragile. It has a clean, contemporary finish that fits into almost any decor style. For those replacing older, worn-out furniture, the upgrade in texture is immediate. It doesn't just look better, it feels more intentional. Efficiency and resilience. One of the most modern miracles of this sofa is how it arrives. Shipped in 3 separate boxes, the components, including the ottoman, often arrive vacuum-sealed. There is a certain magic in watching a flat piece of fabric expand into a full-size sturdy seat within minutes. Unlike many vacuum-packed products that greet the world with a harsh chemical odor, this piece emerges clean and scent-free. While the instructions suggest a 24-hour window to reach full firmness, many find it ready for duty almost instantly. The solid wood frame and no-sag steel sinuous springs provide a weight capacity of 350 pounds per seat. This isn't just a delicate display piece, it is built for the rigors of daily use. It is a tool for living. Whether using the ottoman as a footrest, a makeshift table for a tapas night, or even a specialized perch for a dog to watch the yard through a front window, the functionality is undeniable. It is a large-scale solution for the simple human need to stretch out, breathe, and find a moment of peace.